Okay. I don't know if I'm streaming. Okay, I think I'm streaming now. Let me check Twitch. Where is the browser? Yeah, also I actually switched browser, so let me Twitch TV/0x. I actually switched browsers. I actually sort of try and act to see. Okay, so we are live. Okay, so hello everyone. I don't know if anyone will ever watch this actually, but then I don't really have more or less like a choice. Also, I got a new mouse, Logitech MX3. Anyway, so there are some stuff I have to take care of. Okay, and I think I've been playing on these things for a very long time now, so I want to take care of all of them by the close of the day. Hopefully, I think this is more this. Let me check if there are new comments on this. I don't know if there are new changes requested than this. So let's start with this. New comments. Okay, there's nothing new here. I think they have to take care of this. David and Lucas, I'm still waiting for something from them. Then more tests. Did David requests? No, I requested a review from him, but really nothing. Let me just request a review from Lucas. Maybe he missed it or something. Wait, did he actually create a commit recently? No, the last one was from me. Let me just ping all of them just in case. Who is left? I think, yeah, Adi is left out. Where is Adi? Yeah, Adi is here. Okay, then this new changes. Nah. But then the thing is, I'm kind of lost here. Okay, that's the direction the thing is kind of going. It looks like lost here, so I actually have no idea what to do in this situation. So I'm trying my best, and there are also other PRs, other issues that I have to take care of, which uh this which is this. Okay, so this one is done. This is what I'm actually looking at right. Then let me see. Sign document then should be this when down below it. Let me assign it to myself so that I'll take it. Then this probably, yeah, this so this one is tracking virality where when users sign up will sign, okay, wait. Okay, this too. So it's like this is for mainly, let's assume that okay, I'm in a company, then I send, what's the name? I send maybe I'm a CEO or something, then I'm hiring someone, okay, and I send an email to them. Do you get it? Now, when I send an email to them, maybe I'm sending an NDA to them or something to sign. So now when I sent the NDA to them, they signed the NDA. And when they signed the NDA, they didn't have an account. So that means that NDA signing was the first time they actually got access to use documenso. Okay. So they have signed the NDA and they are like, oh, okay, the platform is good. Let me just sign up. So I think that's what we're actually trying to take care of here. So this three things here. I have to finish them by the end of the day. Okay. Ouch. So first let me, I'm getting lost here a lot, seriously. So I feel like I have to close this and start from scratch. Which would also be a lot of work if you ask me. So first of all, this thing gave me something here. This is actually a good way of doing it. Committable suggestion. So let me just start picking the code rabbits changes, then after that I can continue again. Okay. But then I got lost to David's conversation somewhere here. I didn't realize it. Okay. Actually, is that this actually I'm going to maintain that this doesn't make sense to me if you ask me. That's the truth. Anyway, let's continue. So I'm going to start picking stuff from these things here. Okay, so where is the first one? I'm new to all these, so I mean it's a good feature if you ask me. My last stroke just went viral. That's very bad. Anyway, so let's continue. So I'm doing the example. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what am I doing? So I'm actually on the branch. I made a change before I realized that let me just turn on the stream and do something. Okay. So for now, I'm just going to ignore everything here. I'm going to discard all the changes there. Start again. Okay. So what's the first thing that I'm going to do? So I said I'm going to, so that's actually one issue I'm actually having with Arc, the browser. Okay. It's very difficult. I always you may feel like it's in a different tab because it's full screen and I'll keep switching the tabs instead of just going to the sidebar doing stuff there. Anyway, let's continue. Should it be this? I think this okay. Yeah, this size is okay for this. So first of all, it says what? This custom tooltips dash code. It's a good idea. Which file is in? User will document. So document. So it says I should take the wait, but then I can't just put this custom. Uh, I have another idea. I have another idea. I have another. Then where is the change? So if there's one issue I've actually realized with GitHub and stuff related to it, it's like when you are selecting review lines, it selects the wrong line. Okay, doesn't actually select the correct line that you are kind of putting that because you can't put this one in here. So I'm just taking it out, putting it here, then take this out. Now there's two formats actually. So let me format this one. And so kind of this will should work. So the name, whichever name it is, should work. So let me resolve this conversation. I take this. Okay. The next thing is so it's saying that so it see it's document added. Let me just resolve this one. I don't think this will get okay. think I just made a mistake with what I just did. I shouldn't have actually come here. Let me go back to the end. But I want every time I choose sniper, it never works. Admin panel. Admin panel. The musician too. Shouldn't this be resolved by now? So let me take care of this too. So this one, let me check. What file is the page file? Okay, so the start page. So if you go somewhere here, it says clarify metric titles for user engagement. The title for the metric related to sending and signing documents in the past month are identical. Ensure that the title reflects accurately the metrics they represent to avoid confusion. So these two are the same. Okay, so which one is it changing? This one who signed. I'm actually coming to change all of this. I just want to get these reviews off. Okay. Okay, so now that these things are off, what's the next thing that we do? First of all, there is card metric, then these things. I'll come to this one later. No, I don't want to add the okay. So that review has been resolved. So now it's just two things that's here. So first of all, say says users who uploaded one or more documents in the past month. Okay. So users who uploaded one or more documents. Okay, so I like this. So first of all, on this is the you see, so I think he was selecting this 76 line, but then GitHub for some odd reason gives you this whole useless line, so it makes the thing confusing. So on line 76, where's line 76? Line 76 users. I thought I was going to look up this. Okay. And users. So users who uploaded one or more documents in the past month. So what I think I'm making the fetch call wrong or something. I don't know. How did I remove this? No. So I'm going to just give the 10 to GPT there. Why is this thing here? It's not supposed to be here. Yeah. Ouch, come on. Which one do I mostly go here and here. So where is it? Users. Where is the change? Oh, not you. Okay. So let's go to this one. This one. This. So this is the hmm. Maybe you see what I'm saying here. So on this file, he said it is users who uploaded one or more documents in the past month. Okay. And the users should at least one. Hmm. Oh, I don't know, maybe it's actually for this. Okay, so I just sent him a message in relation to it. I'm a little confused and I've spent a lot of time on this. I don't know, maybe either it is actually possible, either I'll just close this whole thing, then start the whole thing again. Probably. Okay. Or I'll do something else. So for the meantime, I'll just ignore this. Do I need this? No. Okay, so I don't have any stashes left. That's okay. So what's the next thing I want to take care of? So this can go. Sign. I think this is something small that I can start with. I don't feel I'm the let me start it. Yes. So what's this? So this one is what? This one is currently its default name when it becomes when as soon as I uploaded this usability that. Okay, so I think there's a minor way for some sessions. Reload. Isn't it running? Yeah, reload. Come on. Okay, so it's compiling. My school project integrative approaches and predictive model identification of surface. Ouch. Anyway, let's continue. Oh, add myself. I actually have. Um, okay, so if I add myself, there's no option for me to remove myself. Why? Oh, give me 1 minute after. Records. I think I just asked a very stupid question. Yes. Oh, okay. So where was I? Where was I? Continue, I guess. Oh, I am just adding the signatures on. Continue. I've never actually really used this. Okay, I actually had an idea where you can disable this whole step here. So you can go something like as part of the advanced options, there's an option for you to check if you want to do a customized email. And if you do a customized email, we will show you this thing here. Other than that, because majority of people don't use it, I think. But the optional is good. Send, sign, sign. Come on. Okay. Sign. I just want to go to all the places that you can sign a document. Okay, so okay, so now this is here. Okay, so now let's go. So first of all, if I download this thing here, now I check here. Okay, it doesn't actually come. Okay, then if I download this thing here, then I check here, same thing, it doesn't actually come. I need to even delete the downloads. But the downloads. So then what's the next one? Yeah, actually, so it doesn't work all the time for some odd reason. And when I go and I click on this, they didn't work too. Okay, it didn't work. Yeah, it didn't work too. So, okay. I don't know, maybe there was a change that reverted that. It was working previously. Then when I click on this download, there are 4 download buttons as well. Yep, that it didn't work too. Okay. I'm deleting the stuff so that it makes it easier for me to. So all the 4 download buttons are essentially not working. I'm just looking at the main one here, which is on the actions tab. So let's go. So on the, it's actually here. Let me see if I can go straight without search. So it's here, documents, actions, button, documents drop down. It's actually here, the data table. On this data table, it's action section is here. Then the action section, complete a document. Let's see if the document is completed. The drop down action, data table action. So this action button shows a lot of stuff. It can show download, it can show view, it can show approve, stuff like that. So let's start. Okay. So do consider if you want to keep this logic for viewing or hiding CSS. Really? Let me continue. So on download click, the downloaded files should have underscore PDF as part of their name 2 months ago. So that means maybe it was fixed. Was this? Okay, so I think it was in this. Let me check where is the PR. No, not this graph. I want to go to the PR open comment. I wrote this line. So fix incorrect download logic. That's on the client side. Okay, let me do something. Let me search for the underscore signed. Okay, exact place. So this is sealed document. So when a document is being signed or sealed. Okay, 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 okay. Let me do something. Start. No, I'm not looking for it. What's the username and password for this? It's probably in my environmental variables. I can't open this here, sorry. I have stuff inside I have to keep secret. Anyway, let me continue. S3. Oh, ouch. It was just documentation and password. Okay, so if you go to documenso here, these are the old stuff that I think is being sorted by size. I think, you know. Come on, I want recent stuff. Let's see this. Last modified. Doesn't give you anything. Doesn't. Well, let me go to the next step. So the next step is ouch. I just said I'm not going to show the thing and I just opened it there straight off without seeing. Anyway, let me continue. What was the next step? Yeah, I've hit it. Okay, I just hit it. I have some keys inside I don't want to leak, so like personal keys and stuff. Anyway, where do I go? It's mainly for the Google authentication, if you are wondering, but it doesn't really matter. So come on, stop this. So this underscore sign, so a signed document should actually have underscore sign in the database. Do you get it? So you don't even have to add it. So the file base name that is coming. Wait, oh, let me just do what. So first of all, base title. But not only this, I want to also, I actually found something recently. Console.trace. And I actually very liked it a lot. Okay, I mean, I wish console logs would give you more detail like the one that the trace gives you. Like it gives you, I want actually a log that gives you the time, okay, the time and stuff. Oh, the inspect is being here. Anyway, really, it's well done. This. And that's a lot of. You see what I was talking about. So it has this sign as the name here. Okay, it has the sign as a name. This is too small for my life. So let's open it. So the data has the sign here. Here is it. And the initial data is here. So base title, that's the problem. That's the problem. Where does it get the file name from? Where does it get this file name? The file name that is coming is the issue, right? Should we even have this file name in the first place? Okay, because when I call this here, documents download, go to implementations, select it, go to references. Well, anyway, let's take this one for instance. We get the exact file name here, which I don't think is supposed to be so. Do you get it? We are supposed to get more than this. Okay. We are supposed to get more than this. Let's see this. Similar issue here. Similar issue here. Similar issue here. So we actually need to use the file name from the database. Okay, that's the new one that is just coming. Instead of just doing this, I'm keeping this on the side for reference. We'll keep this on the side rather than in this. Okay, so first of all, this document data is. Let me do something here. We have something like that. I want to get the documents by the ID. I don't know if this gets file. How does it like? Yeah, something like this would work. So don't close this. Come on. Anyway, let's continue. So I want to get this specific document. I don't want to write a Prisma query. I already have something for getting a document with an ID. Where is it? Server. Get documents by ID. This let me just bring this in. Why? Wait, oh, come on. No, let me just comment this one out. The next thing is I don't actually have the ID here. Okay, so let me go here. Yeah, we have the documents. We are taking the documents data. Okay, so let me just get the documents. Should it be so? It was going to fill, yeah. So document ID. Then instead of this, the next thing. What's next? The user's ID. Or copilot. Give me something. Okay. Okay. So this has been passed. So let's go and try download something different. Okay. First of all, let me refresh this. What? Something went wrong. I'm a trace boy now. It doesn't even make sense. Unable to run. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Ah, fuck. It shouldn't be road or title. I think that's the situation. The error can where the errors can. All these things can go away. All the two of you can go away. Okay. First of all, I think you actually have the document here. Let me just document itself. Come on. Yeah. Then this let's go. Okay, it's getting slow. The laptop is getting slow for some reason. I think I'm okay with this. Okay, I'm leaving this one out. Then whoa, what happened? Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Document data. Document data. I mean, this would work. So I don't need half of these things. So it's starting to look like, let me show you. Let me do something. Is this sign? When you seal a document, it doesn't even name it underscore sign. What does this put PDF from? You see this one creates a document. It's supposed to be underscore sign. It's a star sign. Let me sign it a little. Close. I'm signing the document. You are still telling me I'm signing. Da, 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 da. Okay, so this is done. Let me check this out. So this download also doesn't. Oh, okay. By the way, is it hyphen signed? Okay. Why is it hyphen signed? It's supposed to be underscore signed. It's making it hyphen signed. Really? No, you. No, you. No, you. No, you. No, no, you. Okay, no, nothing. No, wait. First of all, okay, first of all, oh, I'm getting a call. I actually have a meetup that's okay. So let's continue. Where was I? So that I'm loading. The best thing I am going to do is I can't find the dash underscore signed in it, which is weird. Okay, I have another option. Let me go to the npm Christmas studio. Wait, what? nps Christmas. Oh, come on. Yeah, let's do this. Which one? So you go to the document, right? What's the latest document? The example has been completed. This is the data ID. I don't really need it. If I go here, this one has open in a new tab. Okay. So you see the name, it has a dash signed. Then the initial data doesn't. Okay, let's continue. Where is it? The data, the document method, not really. That's just it. Yep, that's just it. It doesn't, it doesn't, so it's actually possible this doesn't work. It's actually possible this doesn't work. Okay, so put PDF file here. If it's an encrypted document, no, this one is flag stuff, not really my okay. This will prevent uploading. Okay, okay, fine, sure. Then we put this file here from this file. Still actually investigating this error. So if I'm using S3, put the file in S3. Okay, so up until this point, before the document is signed, so where did the file name? Yep, this is the thing. File name isn't used. Okay, it's used for the press sign. Oh, I'm getting lost. Okay, let me do something. You just want the file, don't worry about it. Let's sign another document. What file should I use now? This. Let me use this. So integrative approaches, blah 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 blah. Add myself, delete this. Where am I? I'm signing at the bottom of the sheet. Okay, send. So sign. Wait, I'm going too fast. That is the file name that is being given here. Put file in S3. The file does. Wait, do I have any logs here? No. EFN. Ouch. That's it. Anytime you upload the documents, wait, I have to sign the document. Yeah, but I have to sign the document. When I complete the document, I should have. Okay. Okay, so this is it. That's s38 underscore file. And I include yes. You cannot include as bucket names. Yes, so that's the issue that is arising now. So the issue that is arising now is they are replacing the underscore. So that's why I am getting the. So this is working. So you cannot include underscore in S3 file names. Okay, makes sense. What's the next thing? So the two document is also working. So this is working, but then they replace it with the dash, which is fine. Okay. So now when I'm downloading the file, the base title is the issue now. I can just add underscore signed PDF. This could fix all my issues, honestly. But then yep, it's slow. It's in my laptop on charge. Anyway, so let's continue. I'm creating a new template. Oops. Wait, what am I even doing? Yeah, I want to sign in. Do I have to sign a new document? Okay, we just downloaded the old one. So you see it says sample signed, which makes sense. But then so right now I don't know how to take care of this. Okay, having just the underscore signed there makes it. The other option was to just let go of this whole file name thing here. Okay, then I'll just say so const. Is it data? Is it data? Like, where is my Prisma? Where did I place the Prisma? Let me check. Note. Where is it? So this is when it is in S3 buckets. And if it is by 64, it won't work. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to show that if it's in an S3 bucket, it's by 64, right? So it just doesn't mean anything. But then if it is an S3 bucket, expansion is to. If it's an S3 bucket, then that one it has the data as part of the file name, like has signed as part of the file name. I'm just going to add the signed thing again. That's all I'm going to do. I think this is the best option actually. This is the best option. In hindsight, of course. Oh, okay, there's a file I never looked at here. Doesn't really say much really. Why is this? It's giving file data, then data file data from all. But can be only used in browser. We create this, we create a URL to it to download this with this. Okay, so let's continue. So in hindsight, there was just a single. I think this can go now. This can go away. This can go away. Change to yep. I actually love that new VS Code feature too, where it's like you have a new extension update. Previously, we just reload the whole window, but then this one will just reload the extensions, tab or something. I don't know. No. Oh, come on. Staged rather. Yep. So what? So shit, I made a mistake. It's origin I. But then everything is okay now, so I can just push this up. Cool. It's a PR. I think it's been long since I created a new PR or something. Describe, what am I doing? Uh, I want to do something. Where is the comments? Where is the diff? I'm going to be using a lot of AI for now. Not like in chaff work purpose, but like to make my life simple. So go here. Mm, why? No. So what's the issue name? Top 3 years. Documenso backlog. What did I do? Okay. Why am I calling everyone for just a one like? No, cancel. How do you cancel? Oh, wait, really? I have, no, I actually have done this. Okay. So it's using a new GitHub URL. Right. Stop. So what's the next thing? Okay. Let me take a look at this. Okay, what's the next thing? So there's the next thing. So let's try something like that else. So let's go to the dashboard. I have a template. Let me edit. No, close. Edit to this template first. Why? Anyway, let's continue. I don't know. I feel like I should fix this. So it's on the templates ID. Okay, so where is the apps? SRC dashboard templates ID page. So which is it? So yeah, I think there's the ID. So on this page, we are doing it's the I think it's the edit templates. Yes. So there were changes today actually. I wrote most of this. Listen. It wasn't me writing, it was just me copying and pasting from the main document flow and trying to rename stuff to make it work with templates. One thing is I actually don't like this being bigger than this for some reason. I don't. And also this should have a separate cursor or something. Anyway, let's continue. So when I click on add placeholder recipients, uh, which one? Add template. Yeah, this. I think this is where David made changes inside today. Is it? David made some changes just today. How do I do git blending this? Yeah, 3 hours ago. Why did David make his changes? Because I think it's from his last. Okay. I actually don't know we had all of these in Git. Then toggle file changes. Then toggle. Oh, okay. Anyway, let's continue. So this is email and username. I really need this sign and stuff. Let me ask. I don't know, maybe it's intentional. Okay. I actually have another idea. Let me add, let me use this. Now this is a very big file. It will slow the whole thing down. I've used this before. So please load, please load, please load, please load, please load. Add sign up. Okay, so this that shouldn't be it. But I think if that was the intention, if that was the intention of making this really, so you can actually add empty signers. What? Okay, give me a second. Let me check some things back. Oh, It's 10 a.m. I think David knows by now. About 20%. Let me fix it in case it's intentional. I have a PR ready. No, in case it's not intentional random. Let me say that. I mean, why? Why do like why? It's just repeating. I don't think it's intentional. Did I write this element? Add rows. Come on. Okay. Let me just do something. Let me just fix it. Let me just fix it. So first of all, let me use this as a point of reference. So this one is on the add sign. Oh, come on, not you. This on the add sign next page. Okay. Add sign is for the document. So it's slash document slash ID slash edit page. Okay, go to this edit form. And then add, where is the add sign is? So it's a little bit add signs. And yep, what is going on for this section is why, why, why. Where is it? Where is it? Where you are? Yeah. So um, this only the index. Wait, did they just fix it? Okay, should they do this? No, what then? Edit, edit. Okay, it's working. But then my team members, David said I should do a gate. So, so the gate pull where they already fixed the changes before. So there's no need. And then I thought I'd actually taken care of that. Unless new changes will emerge like 2 seconds. Okay, so he was working on it already, I think. As such, when I just pushed. Yeah, I was working on this at the same time. So okay, so what's the next thing to do? Uh, that has been fixed. Other stuff will be taken care of. Anyway, let me continue to what I was actually about to do. So I was actually coming to edit this template to maybe then continue push um, so let me check this template. Okay. Next, let me use this template. It should show the documents field on this page. I think. Let me take a look at it. These are signed documents. That one I get it. And then let me add this. Then go here. I'm gonna add myself to adding like I can send. So now if I go here, I want to see the show the fields on this section. The on this document. So that's something I can actually work on too. But let me go back to what I was actually trying to do. That actually looks interesting. So let me see. Do I have the? I don't have some. I'm writing it down for later. So what's the next thing? What's the next thing to do? The tracking virality. So if I go here and I go to these templates, yes, I've actually sent it to the, where is it? I've sent this. Okay, so let me go to local host 9,000. It's supposed to be 9,000. Then dashboard. Duncan. So Duncan doesn't have an account. Okay. So if I go and sign documents, Duncan gets to sign. Then computer sign. I was expecting something else. Okay, let's go again. Let's resend another document to Duncan. Where is the template session? Use templates. Send document. Wait and send. Okay. And then go to my dashboard and copy. Is it a sign in link? How do I get a sign in link? Maybe you want to resend. No. But I want to get a sign-in link. Where do I get? Okay, so I can get a sign-in link from the email. Monitor here, copy link address. And I want okay. So sign. Yeah, this is actually what I was expecting. This sign-in card with this. Okay. So now I have to get, I want to write a query to get all the documents that were signed before, like if a user signed a document before they created an account or something. Okay. Number of users that signed. So now I'm going to create an account. So maybe Duncan. Please break. So this will work. Where's the email? Localhost. Let me just open in localhost. 9,000. Yeah. Inbox. Confirm email. Go back. So oh, So if the recipient now becomes a user, okay, something like that. I'm lazy, so I'm just going to give it to GPT to do it for me. Uh, mm, 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 mm. GPT is giving me this. Then this. This is supposed to be. So the recipient signed at a small now. When the recipient signed that is less than the user created that. Okay. And this one as well. So you are finding all the recipients, which is this a valid thing? This actually makes sense. Uh, anyway, let's go. No, close this. Save this. I think this makes a lot of sense. So we are selecting the recipient name, email, and assign that, and also the user created us as this. And what do we use the as this for? We don't use it. So from the recipient and the user, how do you even run this now? I'm coming. I need to check my environmental variables. Well, use a database. table plus we can go back. Well, why can't I hide this? I'm fighting with the AI bot here. I'm actually very tired today. Come on. This will work. I think this will work. Yeah, I think this will work. I think this will work. This will work. I want to hide this. And there's no option for me to hide this. Anyway, so I'll get to the R, selecting the things based on the R inverse. What do I use this for? I use this for. Okay. So first of all, on the Git record the screenshot. Okay. So first of all, on this note, this top up to 80%. Okay. So on this note, what's my yes, I have to go to the application first. Let me go to the admin panel, right? So then I'm on admin, go to the admin panel. I don't know, it's next year's dev server is very slow. Also, guess a side note, a side note, a side note. Are we development? Development. No, it has just one more test. Okay, it has just one more test. So because it has just one more test, I want to try it on documenso. I don't know. I want to upgrade documenso and try it on documenso. So maybe I'll try that after what I am told. Maybe I'll try that. Maybe I'll try it. So, let me just wanted it to be a side note. We don't just do the priority thing. So first of all, on this admin dashboard, user document metrics, recipient metrics. So probably somewhere here under the recipient matrix, you have the recipient that converted into users or something. Then you can use that. Da, 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 da. So the apps web SRC app dashboard admin starts page. There were some. Is it this? Get recipients. It's really get document stats. When was this? No, how have I not kind of not seen this one? Where is this? Okay, so let me go here. Which is it this? Yeah. Doesn't work. Maybe go some. Anyway, let's continue. So I'll fix this for now. I don't have an issue with it. The thing that I wanted to do was I just want to get the users. Yeah, so I'm going to take fix it. Fix what? Let me just go ahead and I think I can just close this. Okay, so I'm searching for something. I have to just prove that. Yeah, it's working. Yes, it's working. Come on. Ouch! Oh. Okay. This schoolwork. Let me just remove that out. Ah, da 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 dun 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 dun. Oh, mm, mm. So this thing will make it unavailable to work for us. The table backing 14.2 is okay, but then how do I even upgrade? Upgrading. Yes. So let me wait for this one to finish, then I can. Oh, what? I'm not even worried. Oh, wait, why? Okay, so because something else was really, I can't actually run to. Wow. Okay, let me check. Skip. Blow and error, skip and go. Very good. Skip and go. So let's. Okay, 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 okay. It looks clean now. So, wow, oh, it's okay. Like it's something that, wow. I think this is stable. Okay, so what's the next step? Add the table command, obviously. So the def command should actually be table now. Package just there's dash. Then marketing page should also give you the same thing. Hopefully it's we are speeding. Hopefully. Hopefully, uh, wow. Okay, so since webpack is more forget in the marketing page. Let me check the marketing page first. Let me close this. What's the next? I guess you are never going to use it. Already disable the limits. Wait, why? Wait, I didn't have a chat. Hello, hi. It just occurred to me that I actually have a chat to check. Uh, I can't find this thing. Okay, here we go. Then when I refresh, immediately I refresh page, the error comes. Mm, this Lucid React thing. Okay, so where is it? Thanks, cheers. Ouch. It doesn't work. Okay, let me come. Oh, Lord. Sorry. Hmm. I'm tired. I actually don't know what to do. Mm, mm. Still not working. Can I read undefined properties of documenso from this? Okay, let me do something. Console. So stuff that do this breaks. Huh. Okay. Let me go to the table report. Pun intended. GitHub slash table. And I'm on table report. You see what I was talking about. Table pan Excel. So this breaks. Table pack. Let's go to Next.js. Wait, there's a new example. Yep, there's a new example. Admin dashboard. There's a new example. What was I here? Yep, on the next.js report. Ah, so that's efficient. So, table, is it table path? I still don't know what to even search for the error. Okay. Yep, I think this is it. Because I'm transpiling packages, these packages. Because you see, it says, where is it? Oh, is it just? Oh. Uh, yep, is it on no? I mean, it shouldn't be getting unknown and this kind of stuff. That's the issue. I think it's this. Oh, I'm going to end the stream. I'm tired. I have to eat too. I've not actually had anything to eat. So I'm going to get something to eat. Then I'll continue. Okay, so see you guys later. If only someone will ever watch this. Bye bye. If only someone will ever listen to this.